Hi, I'm Rachel Fetz. I'm a junior with the mechanical engineering major. Last summer, I interned for a company called the Whiting Turner Contracting Company, and they're a general contracting company. This pretty much means that we're like a construction management company, and our job is to oversee different construction projects, like hire subcontractors to do the work, manage the subcontractors, stuff like that. Never actually doing the work though. Um, on my job site, as an intern, I was just helping a lot of the full-time field engineers complete some of their quality control reports, and some of these happen to be on concrete stairs. And I've chosen to use this topic of quality control reports on concrete stairs for my infographic. This was previously my instructions topic. So this is my first infographic. The intended audience is field engineers at Whiting Turner. As I said, these are the people who have to complete all of these quality control reports. Or in my case, they had to help me complete them, but field engineers actually have to do them, like their interns can't just do them. So, and then these reports are turned into the quality control managers. My second infographic is here. The intended audience is the concrete subcontractors. So they're the people who actually poured the concrete stairs. Like Whiting Turner hired them to do the work. They poured the stairs. Then we do the quality control report on these stairs. They receive this quality control report once. So once the field engineer gives it to the quality control manager, the quality control manager will then send it over to the concrete subcontractors. So these audiences are related because both the field engineers and the concrete subcontractors are working on the same construction site. The field engineers are making sure that the work that was done by the concrete subcontractors passes the quality control check. So they do the work, and then Whiting Turner comes in and makes sure that the work is like was done correctly and is safe for the public to use. Field engineers, like again, don't actually do any of the construction. They're not allowed to like pour concrete. They just supervise and check over the work that is done. And the subcontractors actually complete this work. And the concrete subcontractors are responsible for fixing these stairs if they don't pass the quality control report. The same goes for any subcontractor has to come back and fix their work if it doesn't pass the quality checks. And this is written into the contracts when you hire them. So back to the first infographic. This is for the field engineers again. It's outlined pretty similar to my instructions, but obviously less detail because these people work in the field, so they know some stuff that I didn't have to include in this. It lists the steps in order that need to be taken to complete a quality control report on concrete stairs. The second infographic, again for the concrete subcontractors, it outlines like when you get the quality control report, how do you know if it passed or not? There are more paragraphs on the information needed and some bulleted lists rather than the steps in the first one. These outlines are different because the field engineers need to follow a specific process in a specific order, but the concrete subcontractors just need to know how to interpret the information on the report that is given to them. So the first infographic for the field engineers includes the specific steps in how to complete this quality control report, as I said. As you can see, like some of the steps are like put on your PPE and take pictures and measurements of the stairs. This ensures that the engineers will be able to write the report properly and it'll have all of the relevant information so they won't have to go back and fix anything. The second report for the subcontractors explains how to read the report and how to know whether the stairs passed or failed and like why they passed or failed. So if they failed, it tells them to take immediate action in correcting the issues in the concrete stairs. And if it passed, it says, you're done, like move on to the next step. So After my first draft, just some stuff I changed is the size of the text in this one. Someone made a great point that the text was a few sizes smaller than it is now, so it's pretty hard to read. So I just wanted to make it more readable the for the field engineers. I actually had one of my peer reviewers say they liked all of my graphics, and the other one said that there were too many graphics and it might be unprofessional. So I was pretty torn on if I should keep them or not, but I decided to keep them because I think they add to like the points I'm making and the steps, and I don't want it to just be like a blank and boring infographic. It should be fun. So for the second one, I moved the check and X graphics to be above passed and not passed. That was some advice from one of my peer reviewers, and I also one of my text boxes wasn't centered correctly, and so they pointed that out to me, and it helped me to make them look professional. Thank you.